Cue the jingle bells, it's that season again, that special time when we exchange gifts and spread joy. And what better way to spread joy than with technology? This year, tech has been at the forefront of our lives, enabling us to connect, create, and compete in ways we never thought possible. So let's unwrap some of the best tech gifts of 2023. Picture this, the latest Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker. Portable, water-resistant, and with impeccable sound quality, it's music to your ears, literally. Or how about the Nintendo Switch OLED Model for those who love to game? With its vibrant display and vast library, it's the gift that keeps on giving. For your fitness-conscious friends, there's the Fitbit Charge 5. It tracks everything from sleep patterns to workouts, making it the perfect health companion. And for the little techies, let their imaginations run wild with the LEGO Mindstorms Robot Inventor Kit. It's a fun and educational pick that introduces them to robotics and coding. Finally, for the homebodies, the latest Echo Dot with Alexa can control lights, music, and more, all with just a voice command. So there you have it, the best tech gifts of 2023. From us at TecnoFreak, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a tech-filled New Year.